the points such as electromagnetic induction definition, then Faraday's laws in electromagnetic induction, then Lenz's law, and next point, that means EMF induced in the coil, that related to that two already derivations here we included, we have solved in that one lecture. Now in this lecture we are going to here start the derivation for, that means derive and expression for rate of doing mechanical work. Rate of doing mechanical work is here same as that of the rate of production of heat energy. Rate of production of heat energy. Heat energy. That means here question is that derive an expression for rate of doing mechanical work. That means here is mechanical work, that mechanical work is equal to production of heat energy. Here, in order to understand this derivation, here let us take into the consideration a rectangular coil. That rectangular coil A, B, C, D, and this coil having length L, that means A, B, C, D is the rectangular coil having length L and width here X, and this coil is rotated in a uniform magnetic induction, that means here B direction. Now this coil is rotated in a magnetic field, that means here this magnetic field is shown with that of the process, and as this coil is rotated in magnetic field with velocity here V in right direction, as soon as this coil is rotated with velocity here V in right direction, therefore each side of this rectangular loop experiences force due to magnetic field. That means force acting on here this side is F1. This AB side force is acting F1, on this BC side force is acting F2, on this AB side force is acting F3, and this coil is moved in a magnetic field with velocity V in right direction. Now here the power related to that here rectangular coil, that means power is equal to here work divided by time. This is basic formula. Again, this work is nothing but it is a product of force and displacement. That means work is product of force and displacement is here x, and the time is already here t. Now this x divided by t, that means displacement divided by time, that is nothing but velocity. Therefore the power is here coming, P is equal to F into here V. Suppose this is equation number here 1. Now initial flux associated with this coil A, B, C, D is the rectangular coil which is rotated with the velocity V, and therefore flux, magnetic flux associated or linked with this rectangular coil is here phi is equal to, it is a dot product of B and A. It is a dot product of magnetic induction and area, and therefore here phi is equal to B, area is nothing but length into breadth. That is equation is coming, phi is equal to B L X. As soon as this coil is rotated with velocity here V and this magnetic flux decreases, means EMF is here changes or induces in the coil as magnetic flux decreases with the time, and therefore equation is coming here, E is equal to rate of change of magnetic flux with respect to this time, that means BLX. Here B term is constant, L is constant, therefore taken out of this derivation, and only variable factor is here X. Therefore E is equal to BL dx by dt. This only term dx by dt, that is here displacement divided by time, and this is coming here velocity v, and therefore here E is equal to BLV. Suppose this is equation number here 2. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now as soon as the EMF is induced in this rectangular coil, which here circulates the current in this rectangular loop, and that current is given by the equation here I is equal to, equation I is equal to here V divided by R. It is a basic Ohm's law formula, but here in this case electromagnetism, this V is taken as E divided by R, means that current circulates inside this rectangular loop, that is I is equal to E divided by R, and this one, suppose this is next equation is coming, equation number 3. Now this E value already we have calculated in equation number here 2. Therefore taking equation number 2 means putting value of E from equation number 2 in equation number 3. Therefore this current value is coming I is equal to BLV divided by R. This is current. As soon as this current circulates inside this rectangular loop, and as we have already mentioned that this coil is rotated with velocity here v, therefore these electrons are attracted by the force due to magnetic field, and therefore here equation is coming force is equal to ILB, but that force is here. This one equation is taken as force is equal to here minus F1, means force F2 and F3 are equal in magnitude. These one forces are equal in magnitude and oppositely directed. Therefore these two forces, means F2 and F3, cancel to each other, and this F1 force is equalized to the here F. Therefore equation is coming ILB. Now in this equation here, this I value means current value already we have calculated in equation number here 3. Therefore suppose this is equation number here 4. Now putting equation number 3 in equation number 4. Therefore this force value changes to here F is equal to I value is coming BLV divided by R. This one is only I value which we have already taken from this equation number 3, which we have already calculated from equation number 3, and therefore this force value is coming BLVR, this one I, and only remaining factor is L into B, therefore multiply by L into B. Now this L is equal to this B into B is coming B square, multiply by L into L is coming here L square, and V as it is and R as it is, divided by value R. Here we are related to calculate mechanical work, and this mechanical work is coming here. Work is equal to force into displacement. Here displacement is here done at right side with velocity v. Therefore, equation is coming here into V. Now here in this one equation, already here value we have calculated here. Therefore, this mechanical work is coming here. This B square L square V as it is divided by R, and here again is multiplied by V. And this V into V is coming V square. Therefore, mechanical work equation is here. Mechanical work is here coming. Mechanical work is equal to W is equal to B square L square V square. V into V is taken from this V square and divided by here R. Now already here in this equation, here force is calculated from force, already power we have calculated from equation number here 1. That means P is equal to F into V means P. That means work is equal to force into velocity. Now here already we have calculated force means B square L square V divided by R means W is equal to, by putting value of here from equation number from this equation in this work equation means W is equal to here this B square L square V divided by R and multiply by original value of V, and again this V into V is coming V square, and therefore this mechanical work is coming W is equal to B square L square V square divided by R. Now here already here we have seen the equation 1 means power is equal to F into V. Taken this one equation means power is equal to F into V, and therefore putting value of this force, putting value of force, and this power changes to B square L square V divided by R and multiplied by here V, and therefore multiplied by V into V is coming P means V square. Therefore power is equal to B square L square V square divided by R. Now this equation, now the rate of doing heat energy, is taken as P is equal to I square R. Putting value of this I value in this equation from equation number 3, therefore P is changes to this DLV divided by R bracket square and multiply by original R as this. Therefore here squaring this bracket means this equation changes to P is equal to B square L square V square divided by R square and multiplied by original R. This numerator and denominator R and R square cancel to each other. Therefore, only divided factor is coming R, and therefore this heat energy is P is equal to B square L square V square divided by R. And by observing all these one equations means equation number 5, equation number 6 and equation number 7, here all these equations are equivalent, means these equations are same, and therefore we can say that the mechanical work is equal to the rate of production of heat energy. And here you have to given the question is that show that rate of doing mechanical work is equal to production of heat energy. This question goes to 3 marks, and question marking scheme is here: half mark for diagram, half mark for explanation of this diagram, and half mark goes to here calculation of EMF, and half mark goes to calculation of here force, and then again here the half mark step is for calculation of mechanical work and half mark step for calculation of rate of production of here heat energy. This question goes to 3 mark. Then next on next lecture we will discuss the next point, that means eddy current and its applications and transformer and its working and principle and types of